watching how to make a little art room for the kids, and just an idea. Got a cluttered basement over here, but I'm gonna make them feel like it's an art studio by hanging up tarps and stuff and setting up an easel. They really like it because they really want to paint. So let's get started. First, I'm gonna start hanging this tarp over here up against the wall to make it appear that there's some type of room over here. The tarp hung up, I got it wrapped around there with just a metal wire and going in there with a washer up into the ceiling. Tarp hung up a little bit, so I'm gonna straighten it out. Put a bed sheet down with duct tape on the floor. I made sure that I blew on it or dusted it before I stuck the tape on, and I ran my nails back and forth to make sure it stuck real good, so I know the duct tape's gonna hold. I got the tarp hung up over here, just trying to give the kids that feel where there's an art room in place. We've set up the easel over here, got a bunch of paint, chalks, stuff like that, different types of art set for the kids. This thing has a drawer for paint brushes. We do have a little mop sink nearby for water if they need to, for the painting. And we got a chalk table set up here. I made this a while ago. I actually did a YouTube video on that. Made a chalk table. All it is your springs, chalk spray paint. Comes in a can, and then the kids could use it as a chalk table. So that's a little art set. I built this table myself out of an old table that we had in the living room we're gonna throw away. Got some paper here for the compartment, markers, and we're almost done. We got everything almost set up. Kids are excited, and they brought down all their markers and crayons for the table. Because you were swimming, yeah. And we've also added a radio over here so they could listen to music while they're doing this. And I'm going to add the finishing touches. I'm going to spray paint my art studio or something on the canvas. Let's do that. That's it. Thank you.